Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Right now I have it disassembled. I will reassemble it back, but it's just to show basically what we did on the espresso machine. And we just replaced this. This is the generator. This is the old generator, and as you can see, it's extremely rusted. Focus. It's extremely rusted. It's in terrible condition. It was leaking all over the place basically. So yeah, we just replaced that, and that's all we did to the machine. So we're gonna do one shot of espresso. No leaks coming out from the generator or anything like that. Now water's being pushed through here, going all around it to the spouts. You want some water, which what we have right here, around there, a little bit less, but there you have it. DeLonghi Magnifica working once again, no leaking, and making coffee. Now for the hot water, or in this case we're going to just use the steamer. That was a good flow for the hot water. But we're testing the steamer, so as you can see, starting to build up some pressure. Good pressure, good temperature, working perfectly fine. There you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you for repairing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.